OSX. As you can see, it looks very easy to find pretty much anything. If we scroll down to the bottom here, you have all your applications. So let's go start by looking at the internet. It's very easy to find, very easy to use. You have all your bookmarks at the top, and that's pretty much it for the internet. Up here we have all the settings, so you can change your Wi-Fi. You can see how much battery you have left, the time, the date. You turn your Bluetooth on, and you can search for any application or any file that you want to. This is Finder. This is basically where you find everything on your computer. You have your desktop, documents, downloads, and all that good stuff. As you can see here, up here where it says devices is where if you plug something into the USB or CDs or any of that good stuff, you can access them right here very easily. So it's very easy to work. This is the dashboard. It's pretty cool. It's a whole bunch of apps that you have. You have a translator, dictionary, calculator, sticky notes, fun little games, a unit converter, so it's very handy. And this is a very good feature. It's probably one of my favorite features of the Mac OSX system. And it comes in very handy if you want to find something out, just like that. Another feature I like on the Mac OSX is spaces. As you can see right now I have 16 spaces set up. So you can easily go from your internet, switch over to another space, and go to Finder. You can also change the hotspots. So if we go up here, it goes to the dashboard, and if we go to here, it shows what applications are up. So if you have more than one application up on a space, it will come up as two, and there will be two different colors. So I'll do that right now by bringing this over there. It's just as simple as that. And you scroll down, and yeah, it's pretty user friendly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, right here we have the Windows 8 system. This is the home page. This is the page that will come up when you first start up your laptop. So you have a whole bunch of different apps, as you can see. You have your Netflix app, a couple games, your Google Chrome, your desktop. It's pretty nice, pretty confusing at first because you don't really know where everything is. You don't really know how anything works. And so yeah. One thing I didn't like about the Windows 8 system was that you can't change what happens in the corners. So if you go to one corner, the same thing will happen, unlike the Mac OS X, where you can change what happens with corners. So I thought that really needed to be improved. One thing I liked about the Windows 8 was that it has an online store and you can get a whole bunch of apps. As you can see, you can get ESPN, a recipe keeper, word brush, which I don't really know what that is, work notes, which is very exciting, I imagine. What else can you get? Get Angry Birds, but you have to pay for that, so I don't think I'd really want to get that. But yeah, it's pretty nice because you can just download them straight onto your desktop. It's very handy, very useful. One thing I really liked about the Windows 8 was that with the touch of a button, you can go back to your home screen. That is the button right there. You just press it. You go back to the page you were last on. Press it again. Oh, and you will go back to the start page, which is pretty neat if you ask me. overall, I'm going to say the Mac is my top choice, mainly because it is a lot more user-friendly. It's a lot easier to use for first-timer. Um, I just, I think it's a lot more reliable than Windows. And I don't know, I may be a bit biased in my opinion because I have owned a Mac longer than I've owned a Windows. But I just think it's a lot safer of a system, especially it won't really crash as often, or mine's never crashed on me. My Windows has crashed on me before. And also, it's just a lot nicer, I feel.